Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your payment gateway with Braintree step by step clearly. To protect your payment gateway with Braintree, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Braintree homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information to set up your business account. Once you have created your account, log in to your Braintree dashboard. Navigate to the Settings tab located on the left side of the screen. Select API keys from the Settings options. Here, you will find your public and private keys, which are essential for integration. Keep these keys secure and do not share them publicly. Next, implement tokenization in your payment flow. Tokenization ensures sensitive payment information is not stored directly on your servers. Use Braintree's SDK to integrate this feature into your application. Now, enable fraud protection tools provided by Braintree. Go to the Fraud Tools section within your dashboard. Activate features such as Advanced Fraud Tools and Venmo Payment to enhance security. Set up your webhook notifications to receive updates on transaction statuses. This will help you monitor transactions in real time and react promptly to any issues. Implement two-factor authentication for your Braintree account. This adds an additional layer of security by requiring a code sent to your mobile device. Regularly update your API secrets and keys, especially after any major changes. Monitor your transaction activity for any unusual patterns or discrepancies. Consider using HTTPS for all your API calls and web interfaces to encrypt data during transmission. Finally, review Braintree's best practices for security and compliance regularly. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your payment gateway with Braintree. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.